To sell Bitcoin on Coinbase. Start by downloading the Coinbase app from the App Store. Once installed, you can access the app on your device. The Coinbase app offers various options, including buying, selling, receiving, and adding cash or card details. To sell Bitcoin, navigate to the Tradable section. Select Bitcoin, and click on the Sell option. Before proceeding, you will need to sign up for an account to access your wallet. After signing up, you can fill out the required information to sell your Bitcoin. The app will guide you through the process, providing options on how to complete the transaction. If you're new to using Coinbase, you can also use the Wallet app to receive and buy Bitcoin. Regardless of which app you use, the process is straightforward. Simply select the Sell option, follow the prompts, and provide the necessary information to complete the sale.